Lord Jesus, help us.
Tell her I got some paper. I hope that they don't make me spin it. Trap house, it was fake. And we still got some paper in it. Same conversation, just different location.
Hey y'all, it's Kyra, Elise, and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna go get our toes done. We're supposed to be getting pedicures. My sister, Kirsten, say hey. Hey. And Sammy, my little cousin. So she's coming with us to go get our pedicure. So I'll hit you guys up when we get there. Such a mess. My hair is blown dried out under this bonnet, so don't even look at that. But I just made it to my nail appointment. My nail appointment is supposed to be at 12. It's currently 11:55, so I'm about to text her and tell her that I'm here, and then I'm gonna show y'all when I get my nails done. So I'm excited. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, it's Kyra, Elise, and it is currently Wednesday, December 30th, the day before New Year's Eve. So I'm sorry, I keep coming on here looking crazy. Like, this is my second time looking crazy. I do not do that, y'all know. I usually look presentable. But I just got off of work and it's raining outside, so I had wrapped my hair up because I didn't want my weave out to get messed up. So it's like curled up in the back. See the curls? My hair is wrapped up, but I am going to show y'all what my hair looks like probably after I finish packing. Actually, I'm probably going to take my bonnet off, but right now I'm gonna keep it on because I'm not doing anything. But y'all finna watch me pack. I know, so terrible. It's literally, I leave tomorrow morning. Our flight takes off at 6:50, so I have to be up at 4. We have to be at the airport. We're trying to be there by 5 because since it's the holidays, we know it's gonna be packed. So we're trying to make sure that we get there early. And I didn't even tell y'all like about my trip or anything at all. So for New Year's Eve, me, my sister Kirsten, and my cousin Ruben, but we call him Third, we're all going to Houston, Texas. I'm like, y'all are really gonna like, I think I would like seeing me, you know, get ready, like get my nails done, getting my hair done, getting my toes done, packing. So that's basically what I've been doing this entire week, just taking y'all with me to all my appointments so that y'all can see everything that I got going on. And I'm terrible because I didn't even show y'all my finished nails yesterday. Like yesterday I was so busy, y'all. Like after my nail appointment, literally I had an hour before my hair appointment, but my hair appointment was 30 minutes away, so I had to hurry up, stop, get food, and then go. And in my hair appointment I wasn't even able to film in there because well, honestly, I just forgot. I forgot to film in there. So, don't be mad, y'all. But these are my nails. Let me show y'all so y'all can see them. These are my nails. And they make a butterfly. Do y'all see it? They make a butterfly. I probably should flip the camera, but I'll do that later. But yeah, y'all finna watch me pack, so. I might as well show y'all while I'm sitting here what I got from Shein for my trip. So first thing is I got this fur. I'm going to put it on. This furry jacket, and I have a whole fit that I actually ordered. If that fur jacket is going with the whole fit. This sheer and brown, kind of like, it's supposed to look like snakeskin top. I think it's cute. It's kind of see-through. I'm wearing that with the furry jacket. And these leather pants, they're super cute, but they stink. Oh, they smell like fish. Good ass. I mean, for real. These leather pants, they're just basic leather pants from Shein. They got a buckle on the front. Super duper cute. It's like multiple buckles. Let me show y'all. It's like multiple buckles. This says Shein on them. These pants are like really stink for real. They have pockets. I'll show y'all this entire outfit, but I'm like really hyped for this outfit. These boots that I got from Jessica Simpson, bomb. Like, you can't tell me nothing. Like, put some respect on my name, for real. And I just got this shirt. I already have the white one. I don't know. I can't remember if this was in my first Shein and all that I did, but I got this black shirt. Another black wraparound top, because I have the white one, and I was just thinking, I'm like, I could really use a black one. So I just got the black one. Super cute, basic. There's lines on it. Lines on it, but it's super cute. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this to Houston, but I just decided to get it. So. And then the last thing I got is these cute cargo pants that I'm wearing. Super cute. And all this is from Shein. I don't know, I'm pretty sure I already said that, but just in case. Like they have the zippers, orange zippers on the bottom. They go up. But yeah, so I'm wearing these to Houston too. I don't know what yet, but these will be worn. We need to pack. Literally, God, what time is it? It's 4:20 right now. I need to be productive. Y'all, so this is my hair. This is the finished look. I'm sorry I didn't get to show y'all this earlier, but this is my hair, and I actually curled it. This hair is from Beauty Forever. I forgot exactly what hair it is, so I'm going to leave it down in the description box, but this is from Beauty Forever hair. So Beauty Forever, y'all should sponsor me, because this is like my second or third time buying y'all hair, because this is some really good hair. But yeah, I got a half pap down sewing. It's not a clipping, so she actually sewed it in with thread in the back of my hair. So I do have minimal leave out, and then at the front she just did the ponytail with the glue. But yeah, that is my hair. So it's the night before my flight. Again, I have to be up at 4 o'clock, and it's currently like 2 o'clock. I need to go to bed, y'all. So I'm about to have my mom go with my hair again with flexi rods, because I did curl this hair the flexi rods last night, because it actually is really, it's like more curly. It's like a deep wave. So she's gonna curl my hair. I'm gonna put my scarf on and then go to sleep, and then wake up in the morning. It'll be time for Houston. So I'm excited. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all know I'm gonna bring you along. So yeah, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video, because this is actually the end of my get ready with me for Houston vlog. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so you see every single time that I post. And thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.